By working with them, we identified the opportunity to have credibility with two major brands in this sector and working collaboratively to come up with the design solutions that suit specifically where we're here today for the food and drink and food and beverage industry. So behind the scenes there's a number of different initiatives going on, and again this is globally. So we have people from both technical departments working together to design different solutions where we can have flooring solutions tie in with their drainage solutions, and then from an external perspective from our sales teams and our technical departments is that we're actually going out to speak to both architects, specifiers and actual clients that have specific needs where hygiene is so critical to their business and in their best interest, to actually work with them, understand their needs and hopefully be able to, between the two businesses, offer the right solution. Some of the biggest issues is around detailing. 9 times out of 10 it's the detail for the joints. So in terms of the shape of the drain, the workmanship, the quality of application and getting proper joints right up, because the smallest of cracks can harbour an immense amount of bacteria. So it's absolutely imperative that not only the system suits the design requirements, but the actual installation and the workmanship that's used to install these systems is absolutely crucial. Any bacteria or foul water or dirty water that can be dislodged, moved and sprayed around walls through high pressure, etc, etc. So the importance of having wall systems with a coving, so there's no actual joints and cracks, those sort of things, it just helps with that cleaning regime. It doesn't give any areas where bacteria can build up.